Brian Vello up next. Brian Vello. What do you think of Brian's run? Good job.
Nice car.
Who's coming downtown to the parade tonight? That's cool. Check out the downtown Carlisle area. It's kind of fun when the streets are closed and you can walk around without fear of getting hit by a car. Beautiful architecture. The house has a cannon from the Civil War. Good restaurants too. So this is Mateus. Mateus's run.
That truck.
Oof. Did you yell what I think you just yelled?
Yeah.
Cool. Where's your car, sir?
Right over here.
It's too loud to be in this, he said.
My pipes are golden.
It's okay, it might have, but it's always hard to heckle when you're not participating. Keith Reynolds up next. 14. HOMMY Cruise. Jersey well represented here at Corvettes at Carlisle, or at least in the rolling exhaust contest.
Vehicles, there are our top three for our rolling exhaust contest. You have this black Corvette over here with just a bit of an oversized engine. That belongs to Joe Barra. In the middle, you have this beautiful reddish 1964 Corvette. Belongs to Josh Sigmund. Sigmund's Furniture here at Carlisle. If you're looking for some furniture, couch, mobile home. The other Corvette, 1995 Corvette, that's owned by Brian Bello. So these three are the final three, and now we will unveil which order they finish in. Brian Bello is your third place winner in rolling exhaust. Congratulations to Brian Bello. Second place is Josh Sigmund in his 64, and your winner, Joe Barra, in his 1972 Corvette. So the cars are parked, first, second, and third, left to right. If the car owners can come forward and receive your plaques. Vroom, vroom,